Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Have you ever purchased the hair, you like a thick wig, you like a thick hair, so you go for the 180 density, 200 density, but actually when you get the wig, you find this wig is even thinner than your previous 150, even 130 density. So what's happening to here, and today let's talk about that. Recently, I see a lot of people are actually on the website or vendors, they're selling our wigs in a very high density, which is called 200 density, 260 density, 230 density, like that. But when I try to closely look at their parameters, I find that that's only a number, which is 200, 260, 230 is only a number. It doesn't mean anything. In the hair factory, we manufacture usually 130, 150 or 180. That's mass production products. Many vendors actually they are purchasing from the hair factory as 130, 180 and 150, and actually they are label it as 150, 180 or 200, 260 or freely, just like what they did on the grade of the hair from the 3, 4, 5A to 8A, 9A, 10A. This only a number, that it doesn't really mean anything. So 130 density is actually our normal density, and if you're looking for a better density, you can go for 150. When you purchase the hair, make sure not only asking the density, not only say the number of the density, but also say the weight. And even the two wigs are on the same weight, same length, but how much proportion of the long hair will also make a difference. So you have to sample the hair, sample the wig, and find out which one fit best for your company. Here at my hand there is a wig of us, and this is a 13 by 4 lace wigs. So you can see 4 inches, 13 inches here. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure like this channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this content. And if you have any demand or requirement or any type of hair products like extension wigs or bundles, feel free to contact us or make shopping on www.joicehair.com. Thanks for your time for watching. Have a nice day.